This is a lot.
Yeah. We're not going to eat it all.
Okay.
And this one's empty.
Okay.
I imagine they're all going to taste exactly the same.
So you've already eaten?
No.
Oh.
Our buddy CH, he sent us the Jason Voorhees, which is full, and the Freddy Krueger, which he ate. Well, we got this the other day. Where did we get this? Target exclusive. Check your Targets for Golden Girls. So they're all Halloween related, I guess, but except for Golden Girls. So I got Beetlejuice this morning at Box Lunch. I don't know if it's exclusive, but they had a Box Lunch. But it says Box Lunch exclusive. I got Elvira this morning at Hot Topic, and it does say Hot Topic exclusive.
Does it say Target?
Target exclusive. It's what I bought, and the girl who rang me up at Hot Topic was basically like a teenage version of Elvira.
Okay.
They got the boobs. So where are these exclusive?
FYE.
FYE? Well, the Golden Girls is already opened. Rose. Which looks really blue, I don't want you to tell. But, ooh. Golden Girls. But like, we're not gonna sit here and eat 4 bowls of cereal.
No.
And I think they're all just gonna taste like sugar.
Right. It's like cookies, right? Thank you.
Well, crunchy. Got a flavor to it. Tastes like turquoise.
It's a little bit like Fruit Loops.
But, it's like, tropical Fruit Loops. It's like some kind of tropical fruit flavor.
They're much crunchier than Fruit Loops.
They're incredibly crunchy. Tasty treat that's fun to eat.
It just says multi-grain cereal.
I thought it was just going to be overpoweringly sweet, but it's actually not. It's almost sour.
It is a little bit. It's weird.
It's really crunchy and weird. It's not very good. This might be the worst there.
It's not my favorite.
It's not getting soggier.
No, I was hoping it would.
It's almost like eating wood chips or something. But nobody's buying this to eat. It's a $10 box of cereal.
Right, right.
So this is like $50 worth of cereal.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, welcome to So Awkward, I'm Don.
I'm Jester.
If you made it that far, maybe you already know that. It tastes like pistachio. That's what it is.
Is it?
It tastes like pistachio.
Okay.
It should taste like cheesecake.
Mm-hmm.
No, this is pistachio, which is not sour at all, or tropical. But the box is fun. But yeah, it's just nasty, crunchy. Not even crunchy, it's like, I feel like it's gonna cut my mouth.
Right, I'm scared I'm gonna break my teeth.
Right. Anyway.
I gave you too much, sorry.
I really like the little guys.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that is huge. So this is the FYE exclusive. And these came out a while ago, whereas
right,
the Golden Girls, Elvira, and Beetlejuice, I think, just came out. So I don't even know if I'm going to buy it.
Yeah, this is pink. It didn't smell very good.
is so pink. Can you tell?
Does it taste the same as the other one?
It's pistachio.
Okay.
140 calories. 1 gram fat. No trans fats. 11 grams of sugar, something. Is that a lot? Like what does cereals usually have?
No.
Because for all I know, maybe this is healthy.
No.
I know it's bad. But it's a fun idea. These are not as good as Bootios. Bootios are just Lucky Charms.
Okay.
But it was like good. Lucky Charms are good.
I like Lucky Charms. I don't like this. But I keep eating it.
So yeah, this isn't a very exciting video. This is just us eating awful cereal. It's like I'd almost rather have a bowl of muesli. You ever had that crap?
Mm-hmm.
I think there's a missed opportunity. And I guess there's only so much you can do because this is actual food. But like they all just have the same maize. I mean, are they exact? It's like, I think it's the exact same maize, except for Elvira.
Oh, she got a different one.
She got a different one, but it's still just a maize. Like, I think they could have made, like, more character-specific things on the back. I think that's a missed opportunity, instead of just having a maze. That's boring. Who wants a maze? Should we open the boxes and look at the pops?
Mm-hmm.
Or do we have to keep them in? Oh yeah, the Elvira, that is black. I bet it tastes like pistachio. Oh my gosh. Oh, she's great. Oh, he's great.
Oh, she's really cute.
Yeah, she's really fun.
His hair is very spiky.
He's the best one. And I don't have Freddy. I don't remember CH Static Freddy or Freddy somewhere else. Yeah, this is
Don't buy it, eat it.
No. Well, I'm here dog sitting, and I was thinking to myself, oh, we'll do this, and then for the rest of the week I can just eat this for breakfast. But I don't think I will.
Don't do it.
It's pistachio. It is absolutely pistachio. Which is and I like pistachios. I like pistachio ice cream. But it's not what I want for my breakfast cereal.
No, I don't care for it.
I mean, I'm not saying that they should have gone all out and made different cereals. Because that would be insane. They're all the same thing. They just dyed them different colors. But what I think they should have done is... Not that it matters. Because, what's done is done. Is they should have just made it like, generic, like Cheerio. Like, just like cereal flavor. And then had little marshmallows in the flavor of the character. And they could have used the same damn marshmallows for every box. Because cereal marshmallows don't actually look like anything. They say a lucky horseshoe. Doesn't look like a damn horseshoe.
No.
So yeah, go get yourself some Lucky Charms.
Get some Lucky Charms.
That's good. Or I love shredded mini wheat, frosted shredded mini wheats. That might be my favorite.
Cocoa Puffs are my favorite.
Cocoa Puffs are good. I like just plain Cheerios, to be honest, or Honey Nut Cheerios.
Honey Nut is my favorite.
Yeah, and that isn't terrible for you. Like I think Cheerios might actually be good for you.
I don't know.
Cookie Crisp is my favorite as a kid.
I don't think I ever had Cookie
Oh man, it's just like you're eating a bowl of cookies.
What's the one with the frog on it?
Sugar Smacks?
I liked those.
Yeah, those are good. Or is that Honey Grams? What's the difference between
No, Honey Grams, is that the one with the bear?
Yeah, but they're the same cereal.
I know they are, but I got the one with the frog.
I think I can't get enough of Super Golden Crisp, just got the crunch with punch. Was that the one with the bear? What was that? Or there was the The one with the robot, I think that was Honeycombs. Honeycombs got the big bite, big taste, and the big bite. That's probably not the right words, but it was something like that. I just remember one where they're in like a treehouse and the robot was like dancing. Anyway, we're gonna eat a frozen pizza now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Sorry this was done. Pistachio.
We tried.
Pistachio, no.
Big taste, honeycomb, big taste. Honeycomb, yeah.
It's not small.
No. Honeycomb song. A big taste. Big crunch. A big bite.
Honeycomb cereal, part of this big, complete breakfast.
Honeycomb, the big